Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adinda Lutvi Syafirananda, and here today I want to show you about how to create an interesting English material by Quizizz platform. So I know that teacher and lecturer face the problem to manage an interesting way for their materials. Yes, they're so confused to choose a platform, even for the teacher or lecturer who are not technology savvy. In here, I want to recommend you to use Quizizz platform. Yes, so let's go to the tutorial here. Here, please, you can open quizizz.com. At first, you have to log in your account here, and I have already log into this account and then you click make a quiz here. I'm sorry, I have no English version in this computer. Sorry, I don't know how to change the language into English. So for creating quiz, write the name for this quiz. For example, conditional sentence. And then choose your relevant subject because this problem is about English material, so we choose English and then click next. Now you can see there are multiple choices, checkbox, fill in the blank, pause, and open-ended question. And there is a slide to here, and people think that quiz is only for making quiz, or they also use this for making an exam. Yes, for example, multiple choice, so you can start from is condition. I wrote the example first here. Alright, first you have to write your question here, and then you have to fill the answer from 1, 2, 3, 4 multiple choices, and you can also add another option. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 explain answer here. Okay. Actually, you can fill this panel for the explanation, because I'm not upgrade to premium, so it you have to subscribe the premium version. You have to get paid for that. And checkbox, it's same. Oh, I forgot. For multiple choices, you have to choose the right answer. For example, the second option is true, so you can save it. Okay. I have no text and picture here, so let's cancel it. The checkbox also has the same way as multiple choice, but the differences are this: you can choose more than one question. Here, oh, you can pick the picture, you can add the picture here for your question and for your answer here. And fill the blank is for example like this. If okay, for example the what is it, the answer, you can write your answer just like I would yeah, something like at the menu, or okay, you can put, if the correct answer is here, you can put the alternative answer is here. You can put so many alternative. A maximum is 1, 2, 3, 4 alternative answer here. Alright, so oh, this poll, I love this because in poll question you can vote your answer here, for example, which is true. Allow multiple choices, so student can choose more than one vote here, and there is no correct answer here. And open-ended is just like for example of the question is how to blah blah blah, like that. That on this quiz you can adjust the timer here like 5 seconds to 15 minutes. I mean, okay, how about how to create the lesson? Here I put some slide here. Okay, for example, condition here. And the first slide is automatically written as title here. Here on the right panel you can add slides or edit your slide. You can import your slide just like PowerPoint, Google Slide, PDF, it's up to you. You can add and the slide that you can put into your, I don't know, kind of PowerPoint, or you can put title and subtitle here. Yeah, so many options that you can use here. You can put media with text like image, video, and audio. Wait, this is quiz. Alright, that's very interesting. Why I love Quizizz. Yes, and here's why the reason why must you use this platform, because you can put the quizzes in the middle of your material here, as you can use it as post test, pre-test, or just checking the knowledge of the student for the lesson, they understand or not. It's up to you. It's very useful for you who are so creative here. And on the left panel, you can edit the content of the material here. You can put the media here, and I don't know how. Oh, there are a default image to create a cover here. I am so surprised, but don't worry, if you want to put another image, just upload image here, and it's very interesting. Okay, I think that's enough for me. I hope you like it. See you.